Hello friends, welcome to you or welcome to all of you on this channel Anita Mishra, Learn with Anita Mishra. Today we are here to learn about the quadrilaterals, understanding of the quadrilaterals. Okay, so we, as you all of know, that we are assuming that you have learned the previous chapters and the previous class. You have learned about the plane surface, plane curve, triangle, angle, quadrilateral. So all these things you know. That is the prerequisites. If you do not know this, then please go to the previous chapters, learn it again, then come again. It will give you a basic knowledge about the previous chapter. Then it is easier to understand. If you are not comfortable with the previous chapter, don't worry. I will try to cope up those things as well in during this video itself. Okay. So this book is just a printout of just a print of NCERT books where we are starting the chapter 3. Today I will just take you through till examples only. Next video I will solve the questions answer as well. Okay, one by one I will solve all the answers. So today, if I start with the figures only, then on figure, if you check it, then this is the only line segment, correct? The two line segment is here, and it is making a simple closed curve. So is it closed curve? No, it is not closed at all. This is open. This is closed curve, but not simple at all. And this is simple closed curve. Okay, and this one, if you check it is cutting, correct? Although it is closed, then these things you knows very well, very simple things, and nothing worry on this front till here. If we move the polygons, then simple question come into order. Why we are understanding those things? Why should I understand triangle, quadrilateral, polygons? Because it will help you to understand and do the calculations later on in later parts when you move forward to the next class or next chapter. So if you look forward at the everywhere, like in the actual environment scenario, if you check your tables, your books, your laptops, your geometry box, your bags, everything is in a some shape, correct? So either it will be a triangle, rectangle, polygons, simple curve, chord, closed curve, loop curve, everything is there. So engineers, doctors, or designers, or if you want to do anything, you must know the exact calculation, then only you will able to design, you will able to do that. So to do know all these things, you have to learn these basics. If I exemplify further, if you do not know abcd, you cannot form the sentence, correct? So same things are here. These are very basic things where we are learning over here. It's our pillar, like we are preparing our base. So if this base will be very clear, then you whatever profession or whatever the things where whatever your hobby, it will help you a lot to understand and design those things. Okay. So moving forward, let's come to the topic. Generally, like what's come into our mind, what is the polygon? So polygon is made up of the line segment, closed group of line segment, that is called polygons. Very simple definition, bookish definition is a simple closed curve made up of only line segment is called polygon. If you put the your focus toward this sentence, you will come to know. Okay. So by this, if you follow this sentence only, you easily come to know that these are all the polygons. This is closed curve. This is also closed curve made up of the line segment. Made up of the line segment. That is the reason this is called polygon. Although this is also closed till here, but here it is open, and this is also open here, closed. So this is also open and made up of the, even though these are the line segments, but they are not the polygons because they are not fulfilling the criteria. Which criteria? A simple closed loop, a simple closed curve made of only line segment. So this is simple. The journal questions come into our mind. This is closed. Why it is not polygon? Because this is not simple. It is not simple at all. It is cutting here and there and then moving, and it is not simple at all. Although if you look forward, this one, this is polygon, this is also polygon, this is polygon, but these three are the not polygon. Okay, moving to next. So if you see the further the classification of this, like polygon, how it is the classified, it is classified in the number of sides and vertices, correct? So triangle you have learned three vertices, three sides, triangle. This is quadrilateral. Then pentagon. Pentagons are five vertex. Hexagon, six vertex. Correct. In this way, nth bond. Correct. So whatever the vertex is there, this is decagon. 10 vertices are there. Correct. So this is called decagon. Now diagonals. What is the diagonals? The no, again normally whenever you listen some word, it's our curiosity in our mind, correct? We just wanted to know what is this. So for diagonals, if you understand, the line segment connecting two consecutive vertices of a polygon is known as diagonal. So if I take you through here, this is this is diagonal, this is diagonal, and this is diagonal. This is edge. This is not diagonal at all. S and R is not diagonal. However, S, Q, and P, R are the diagonals. In the same way, this is how many vertices are there? Just calculate from start from E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? Let's learn once again how many vertices are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pentagon. So how many diagonals are there in this pentagon? You just connect the each vertices, not the adjacent one, the far one. Okay. From E, if I want to connect the C, this is diagonal. So EC is one diagonal, EB is the second diagonal, correct? And then ED is already connected via this 1 and 2. Similarly, the A want to connect D, 1, 2, correct? In similar B, 1 and 2. Similar D, C and A. AC was already connected, is already there. Then EC was already connected before when you are counting through this. So how many diagonals are there in pentagonal? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 diagonals in a pentagonal. However, in this quadrilateral, how many diagonals? Only 2 diagonals are there. If you look at this, what is this? How many diagonals are there? So it is vertex 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertex are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 2 diagonals. 1 and 2, 2 diagonals are there. Okay. So in this way, this is interior and exterior. Then okay, this one polygons. The another type of polygon we have just learned the two things. The four types of the polygons. Polygons are basically classified in 4 types. One is convex, second is concave, then regular and irregular. So let's start from convex and concave polygons. So what is convex polygon? So normally questions come in the convex polygon. These are the convex polygon. What is convex polygon? The internal angle of these figure is always should be less than 180 degree. So those are called the convex polygon. What is concave polygon? Concave polygon is have a property at least one angle is greater than 180. At least one angle is greater than 180. So that will be called as concave polygon. Okay. So these are the basic difference between concave polygon and convex polygon. Move to the next. Next is regular and irregular polygons. So what is the regular and irregular? So earlier we have learned about the triangles. So regular polygons is where each angle of any polygon and each edges are equal. This is called regular polygon. And this square also have equal edges and equal angle. So this will be also called as the regular polygon. However, these are all the irregular polygons where edge and angles are not same. Those are called the irregular polygon, right? Rectangle and triangle. Okay. Again, this is regular example of regular polygon and polygons that are not regular. These are the not regular polygons. Okay. Example, they have just given you the properties of this. Then angle sum properties. Like we know in a triangle, like angle, if we go through any triangle, go up, go up, go up. Okay, this is the triangle. We have learned about properties in a previous, class 7th standard. The sum of all, any triangle, like all angle of any triangle, if we sum up that internal triangle of any, then it will be equal to 180 degree. And similarly for polygon, for quadrilateral, all the angles. Let's say if I put it here, the name A, B, C, and D, then angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D equal to 360 degree. How? If you divide it from here, no, two triangle, then this is the two triangle, one triangle is here, second triangle is here, like this way. One and two triangle, if you sum up it, it will be always 180 degree. 180 plus 180, 360 degree. Correct? So all angle, sum of all angle from this figure and this figure is 360 degree. This figure also will be a 360 degree. We will use all this property while solving the problems. Okay, so request you go through all these examples once again. Then in next video I will solve all the questions of this exercise 3.1, and consecutively, if you like the video, if it is understandable to you, then I will move forward the next exercise as well. Thanks a lot. Thank you.